Hello, good evening all. Am I audible? Anyone, please? So we'll start within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's wait. Anyone, please? Sound crack out. Let's check. Okay, let's check. So what about now? Anyone, please comment. So what about now? Anyone, please comment. Okay, let's wait. Okay. So what about now? Okay. Now the sound is okay, right? Okay. Okay, no issues. So first of all, good evening all. Mm, okay, done. Okay, so we'll start the session within 1 minute. First of all, we can check from the Forex factory. We can see a lot of hot news are there before 13 minutes without tariffs and all of the trillions of dollars we have already. Okay, there's a lot of huge news on. I think the coming Monday candle will open there with a gap up or gap down. Lot of things happened, so that you can see a lot of news are on the way, and you can see a lot of tariff news is also there. Okay, and when we comes to the September 1st, that's a Monday, we can see there's no high impact news, right? And also we can see some bank holidays on Canadian dollar and USD bank holiday. So I think the Monday will be completely sideways market. And also in Tuesday we can see there is only a few newses with medium impact and high impact newses. Okay, once we comes to the Wednesday, we can see there are some high impact and low impact news is also there. And Thursday also we can see ADP non-farm employment change and unemployment claims also there. And ISM service PMI is also there. And Friday we can see there's a lot of newses. You can see employment change, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, all the things we can see. Okay, so last the month of August was very good for the traders. We got good moment from the market, and also the things, all the things happened what we forecasted in the last weeks. Okay, if we check our last week forecast, we can see all the movements happened according to the Elliott wave. Okay, all the wave was very accurate, and we can see there's a moments that this from 3300 to this 3450 we already predicted in the last week, and this correction also we also already predicted, and this initial pumping also we already predicted. So that was started from the start of the August 1st, and it was a Friday, and the market created an impulse, and market created a correction, and again market created another impulse. So let's good evening Vishal, Farshil, good evening Naufal, MJ, Good evening. Yes. So we already put a poll in our community in the comment live chat box. So 48 percentage voted for the up and 50 percentage voted for the down. So what you think? What you are thinking? Yes. Good evening. So what we can expect in the coming 5 days? So Monday, Tuesday is there. Wednesday is also there. Thursday, Friday. So what we can expect in gold for the coming days, so that we are actually looking on here. And first we can start from the Bitcoin, that will be better. So let's take the Bitcoin chart. So initially we are starting from the Bitcoin. Okay, so we can see we already updated in our live trading community that this moment, and I'm taking a daily time frame. Yeah, so in 4 hour we can see we already predicted this fall in the last weekly forecast in the last Sunday. I think on the Sunday night this fall we already predicted, that happened very accurately according to the idiot wave. Okay, and market first came to our reversal zone 1, and market create another correction, and again market created a impulse. So this moment we can expect till below of 1 lakh 6,000 below. Okay, so that's a good buying zone. That's a potential reversal zone according to the XABCD. So if you know the XABCD pattern, you can just plot like this. This is above 1, and you can see this is a 886 zone. Okay, if market again continue to down, then the maximum we can expect on 0.13 zone. This is the zone, so this also we can expect. This is the moment also. This is also a good buying moment for the long term, but normally what I am expecting, market will reverse from the 886 zone. So I'm just deleting the XABCD pattern. So coming to 2 hour again, and we can see in smaller time frame that this is the last, for me this is the last 5 wave. So again I'm coming to 1 hour time frame. So we can see there's a 0 1 2 3 4 now is running, right? And it's like a bearish flag. You can see that market is creating a flag pattern, bearish flag pattern. So what I am expecting is the reversal will happen from, we can see, we can again plot here in XABCD, right? And we can expect the reversal from 786 or 886 zone. So the next wave I'm expecting into 4, then next wave 4 to 5. This also we can expect. Still the B is still not break. So it was like a leading diagonal. Again 3 correction is came, and again we can expect a 5. So after reaching here we can expect a reversal. Let's wait. Let's connect this to, and this will be the potential reversal zone. So the fifth wave will be start from here, that what I am expecting. But when market reaches the 1,10,000, we need to take confirmation, then only we need to go for a short position. So this is the better zone for a selling, and or if you are going to look for a buy, wait till to complete this wave. Okay, so that is very important, and this is a good buying zone, but we need to take confirmation. But if you are going to buy in spot market, you can directly buy from the current market price, because in future market is going to $1,34,000. Okay, this moment I am expecting into 1,34,000. Okay, that will be a big moment, so we are waiting for that also. So yeah, yes, lots of students are joined. Yeah, so how many of you trade in the last week? Gold trade, we already took lot of 2 3 buys in the last week. We got an entry on Monday, we got an entry again on Wednesday. Lot of trades we got on our live trading community. Also we are updating all the trades what happened there. Okay, so just comment. And also I'm very proudful that our Delta students all are in profit right now. most of the students almost hit 100k dollar profit in the last month and last week also, and most of the students are in profit. That's very happy to hear about that, and I hope you all guys are in profit. Okay, so this is the analysis for the Bitcoin. So next we can comes to the Euro USD. So in Euro USD, I'm taking a 4-hour time frame. This was the buy limit I provided in our community, but this still not activated. I'm just hiding it. Okay, so I'm just removing this also. So what we can expect for the coming week? So here market, we can see market just, it's a sideways market actually, right? So again what I am expecting, market will continue to sideways. So what the next movement what I am expecting here, this was a huge movement, let's say XA movement. Okay, so what I am expecting here, yeah, so in the coming week I am expecting market will take this high and market will comes to this level, and again market will comes to this position. This is the moment I am expecting. Within this wave we can find a 5 wave, that will be like this. Okay, maybe the 5th wave will hunt till this zone, that is also possible. The max, so this is the minimum we can expect, and this is a support zone actually. This is a support zone actually, so we can again expect a reversal from this zone, so potential reversal zone, and also we can expect another reversal from here also, from 1.18333 level. Okay, because why I am choosing that level is, see, you can see this is the July 1st high, right, and this is the 24th high. Okay, and this is also August high. Okay, so it's a like a, this area will act as a resistance. So now on Monday the new monthly candle is opening, and that's a new candle. So market will take the August high, and market will comes to the July 1st high level, and again we can expect that fall. Okay, so this is the moment what I am expecting in Euro USD. Yes, Rafiz, how are you? So this is the moment we are expecting in Euro USD. So next weekend comes to USDJPY. Yeah, so in USDJPY we can see we are currently in a short position, already updated in our live trading community. You can see, if you are not in our live trade community, just put a message to me, I will guide you how to join the community. Okay, so this is, we already currently in a sell position, already in a break even. So here we can see market is struggling to come down, right? It's like a, see, you can see here this was the low taken, so that's why market is struggling to break this low. Okay, so in the coming week we can expect two type of movement. So that is, that will be like market will break this level and again will hit our target. This is the first possible week that we can expect in the coming week, because there's a huge selling order came this price level, so we can expect this moment at the first time. Okay, so what is the next possible? Market will directly came to this level and again will fall. This is the moment I am expecting in USDJPY. So this two kind of moment we can expect in USDJPY. Yeah, we will comes to the Ethereum also, and also I think we have already a sell limit again here. See, if I take the chart, there are some short position also included. Yes, so this already we already given into our community. This is a hidden sell limit we already updated in community. Market will take this level, and I am expecting this fall again. Okay, so now this trade is in, the first trade is already market took here from here, and it is in break even. If market again hit our break even level, then we can expect into this level. So here also we have a sell limit order. So this how we have to tackle the sideways market. Okay, so yeah, so next we can comes to Euro GBP. So you can see this was the last trade that we are given in our community. We are exited this position from the 80% of this target level. Okay, so this is the moment we are expected in the last week. We already on the Monday we are already predicted this moment. So what happened, this moment is already happened. Okay, and also same moment what happened in USDJPY. You can see you can see this area is acting as support, right? So once again what I am expecting, this is a crucial point for the Euro GBP. And also if you come to the 2-hour time frame, you can see that this is a 0 and 1 2 3 4 5 moment. We can see now it's an equal high, so that's a liquidity point. So market will definitely take that levels and will hunt to this zone, and after completion of the fifth wave we can expect one more fall. Okay, so looking for a sell from this level is a good choice. This is a good sell option. Stop loss should be above this high. Okay, but still this trade is not confirmed, but once market reaches here we can go for a confirmation. After taking confirmation we can go for a sell. You can see there's a huge selling order here. We can see market created a double top from this zone, so 50% of that double top we can go for a sell limit. Okay, so this is the entry level for the Euro GBP, but the trade is still not confirmed. This is a scenario only we can look in the coming week. Okay, yeah, yes. So next we can come to Ethereum. Okay, yeah, surely we will start from Ethereum. So you can see in the last week we already predicted this moment. After market coming this level, we already predicted this moment. So what happened here, market is just 0 1 2 3 4 is completed the 5 with the momentum divergence. You can see market is just 100. This is the first wave, and sorry, this is the first wave, and you can see market is almost took the, it's like a mirror that we already discussed today. Is I think there are some advanced students for our YouTube. So you can see the wavelength of the wave 1 and equal to wave 5. See, that's same like a mirror. Okay, so the wave 1 is equal to wave 5. Okay, that was a confirmation. After that we can see, if you check the divergence, you can see simply very easy, right? This was a good selling point. You can see this is a momentum divergence, low volume, price break the previous high. Okay, and also we have another confirmations also. Okay, so what we can expect, so what I am thinking is, here we can see market created a 5, and again market here created a 5. So what I am expecting is, so for the coming weeks market will break this and again will comes to this level, and again we can expect the next bull run. That will be a alt season. I'm expecting that this price range will reach us to 6,500 level. This is my target price, and already market hit all our target in the last trades what we are given in the last weeks. So now this moment I am expecting, because a 535 moment I am expecting. So as of now this moment we can, and this is a moment like it's a like a wedge pattern. You can see market is acting as a wedge pattern, so a bull market we can see from here. So that's why I plotted this path tool like this. Then after taking this previous high we can expect one more fall. So because this is a August high, right, and this was the August mid of the August high, market just took that high and now try to come to the downside, and after that we can expect one more fall into $4,000 level. $4,000 is acting as a support now, because that's a rounded figure. Okay, so this is the analysis for the Ethereum. Okay, so next we can comes to GBP CAD. Yes, see, in GBP CAD we already given a trade in the last, in our live trade community. See, this was the entry that we are given in our community. Now market almost, we already booked the profit from 80% of the target level. So still we can expect that level, but now you can see There's a lot of liquidity is pending in this level. Now what happened, what I'm expecting, market will hunt this level, then again market will try to fall. Okay, because you can see a lot of liquidity is also there, and also you can see there is a, this is the premium zone for the market. This is a premium zone for the market. So this area will act as a rejection area. So market will collect that all orders, then again we can expect a lower low. So this is the moment I am expecting in GBP CAD. Yes. So next we already discussed about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Euro USD, USDJPY, Euro GBP, GBP CAD, and now yes, exactly news NSD USD. Yeah. So for the NSD USD, this also we updated in our community. You can see there is a sell limit that we are expecting in the coming week. Now market just break the XAB series B level. So this is the sell limit point that I am planning to enter 0.60193 level. If the correct price range is 0.60174 is the best selling point, because you can see this area is acting as a resistance, and the stop loss should be above the previous high. Okay, that's a very safe zone, and already we took a, before I think in the last July 1st we took another entry, and that target is already hit. That I think this entry we given in our Pipscraft community, that already completed. Now next sell we are going to take from this zone, that is the premium zone of the previous wave. Okay, above 0.5 and 618 levels. So yeah, yes, we will comes to the silver also. Hi Anas, Farouk, yes, US30, yes, also we will do that. So next we can come to silver. Okay, that we can do. For the silver and gold, we will specially make a analysis. No need to worry about that. So before that we can go for a US30 analysis. Okay, sure. So I'm taking US30. So US30, US30. Okay, done. If my voice is not clear, just let me know through the comment section so I can improve the voice. Okay, if there is any technical issues, just let me know through the comment section. Okay, so this is the US30 and this is the all-time high. I think if you check the weekly time frame, now the Dow Jones, that US30 is in an all-time level, right? This is the all-time high, and you can see the last monthly candle was like a very bullish candle, and also closed previous above the previous month July high. And also this is the, and this is the highest closing monthly closing ever in Dow Jones, let's say US30. And also if you check in the gold also, that is the highest monthly close ever. Okay, so this scenario will make a hype in the market, and also what I am expecting in US30, market will again continue to up. See, whenever you see any like this kind of hype in the market, the investors will invest from these levels. The orders will be pending these levels, so market will collect that orders, then we can expect on more high. I am thinking that this price range will almost reach us to $50,000. This will be a reverse zone, because this is an index, so this is a rounded figure. 50,000 is a rounded figure. After that we can expect the reversal. Okay, so if you check in the smaller time frame, I'm taking, yeah, weekly time frame. So you can see there's a Elliott wave movement, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? So I'm just doing an analysis. You can see this was the 1.618 level, and this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 we are expecting. So what we can expect, wave 1 is this, and you can see this is the mirror, and I'm taking the fib retracement and just plotting the tool again. Yeah, So this we can expect at least is this zone between 48,000 to $50,000 will be the next wave. Within that we can check the daily time frame. We can see market is creating another 5. This is 0 and 1 2 3 4 5. This we can see, we can expect in the coming week. Hi, how can I join the trading community, Suraj? If you want to join, you can check my number on communities and I will give you the community access, no issues. So this is the moment that I am expecting in US 30. Okay, yeah. Now if I check, now we got 45 votes for the gold poll. So most 58 percentage students saying market will go up and 42 percentage students saying market will go down. So what we can trust for the coming week, tell me. So what you all are guys expecting in the coming week, up or down? Just put a comment. So what do you think on gold? Just put a comment. Yes, if 57 percentage students saying market will go up and 43 percentage students saying market will come down. Okay, what about Farooq? What are you thinking about the gold? Up to because triangle correction is over. No, for me the triangle correction is still not over. But if you attend the today advanced class, oh yeah, you shall. Okay, I think you're in Kerala, right? So we had given some analysis based on Ilio today for the advanced students. If you check with Girish or Rafi, you will get an idea. Okay. Also, I will update the chart in the group. No problem. So Farooq SMP is saying that market will go down. Okay, nice. Okay. Now the poll percentage is up for 50%, down for 45% for down, and 55% for up. Nice. Almost a 50-50. Okay. There is no majority. See, mostly trading will be like that, right? There should be a 50-50. Then only the trading will be happen, right? And see, up on opening will go up and 262, then will drop into 3350. The fission rep, that's good idea. That also I'm expecting, but I'm expecting the price range will little more up. Okay, so let's analysis that also. Voice cracking, let me check. Okay, what about now? Now clear. Okay, done. Yes, so let's, okay, now clear. Okay, so let's go for an analysis in gold. So let's take the chart. So I'm taking a fresh chart for your understanding. So you can see that, so people who following the Elliott wave, you can see this is an inside wave that happening in between the triangle, right? 0A, right? And this is a 5-3-5 moment. Okay, so you can see market is going up, but there's a problem that market is already collected the June high, right? So it's a liquidity point. For me, this is a liquidity point that is already collected. Okay, and you can see that this was the 0 to A wave that already we discussed today, and this is the same moment what happened in the zigzag moment. Okay, so now it is mirror, right? Both wave A and wave C is equal, so that will be the reversal area. If you check with the extension, this is a 0 and A B, you can see that is the 1. Okay, so there is two possibility that this is a reversal. As of now, this is a reversal area. You can see this is a resistance also. Okay, and market is already collected the previous month high and already market in a resistance level. Okay, so two scenario we can expect. The first scenario, market will be sideways tomorrow and market will collect the previous day high, and then I am expecting a fall into 50% of this impulse wave. That will should be, if I am expecting the movement with a Fib retracement tool, I can expect into 3. Yes, exactly. I think this already told by Mr. Yeah, the fusion drive already told me. Yes, so the same analysis what I am expecting, Mr. Fusion drive. I don't know your name. Upon opening, will go up and 6 to 62 and will drop into 3350. So the same moment what I am expecting also here. So this is one scenario for the gold. Okay, on Monday market will consolidate and market will manipulate, and we can expect a fall. Okay, or at least market will take a support from this same level. That's a trend line. If you connect the 0B, then that area will act as a support. Okay, so yeah, so next, what is the next scenario? If the market is continue to up, then I can expect, what we can expect, 0, this will be the 0 and 1 2 3 4, and we can expect into this zone, almost this zone. This 5 also we can expect. Okay, so because of why, if you mirror this 0 to A, and that is a 1.618. If you take the Fib retracement, if you plot like this, I am taking apply default. Here you can see that is a 1.618 zone. This area will act as a reversal zone. So two scenarios we can expect that we need, for that market needs to open on Monday, and the important thing is that on the Monday there is the US market is off, right? And you can see this is the previous quarterly high. There is a liquidity also. Maybe market will collect that liquidity, then only market will comes down. Okay, so this is the possibility. So there are two possibilities, that maybe this will act as a clean Elliott movement. Okay, otherwise this wave will act as a what, diagonal movement. You can see it is a diagonal format, like a expanding diagonal. So that is also fine. So the exact moment will end here, and there's a, we can, after manipulating on Monday, after consolidating on Monday, then market will manipulate, then we can expect this fall. This is the first scenario. Or if market is not fall, or if market, if there is a lot of buy, 50% of this impulse, then the next moment we can expect till 3540 level. Okay, so these are the, yeah, the fishing drive is Jidin. Yes, okay, okay, nice, nice. So this is the moment what I am expecting. If there is a lot of orders below of this a previous impulse, so for to know that I am coming to 2 hour, you can see market will create a change of character here, right? After manipulating this previous low and collecting this low, then this movement is also possible. So this is the two possible movement in for the coming weeks, or coming 2 weeks also, because it is a starting of it is the end of the quarter also, and this is the starting of a September, right? So first initial 10 days market will consolidate, okay, and then only we can expect a movement after complete market needs to complete at least this week, then only we will get an idea, and the reversals maybe happen on Wednesday, New York market we can expect, okay, or a Wednesday Asian market also we can expect this reversals. So for that we market needs to open, so according to that we can move, or we will update if there is any good entry we got it. See, no, in the last weeks we got an entry from here to here, and also we got an entry from here to here. Two movements we got from last week, one entry from here to here, and another entry we took from here to here. That was a good entry, I think. Yeah, someone removed the movement, okay. So as of now we can only take this as an ending diagonal. This is 0 1 and 2 3, and this is an expanding diagonal, okay. Till don't plot it's like an Elliott wave, like what we plot before. It is not perfect. We need to wait to open the Monday market, then only this movement is possible, otherwise market will fall what we have talked before. This movement we can expect. See, this is the chart, okay. So this is the two scenarios for the coming week, okay. So what will be the effect of news on previous days? So see, so I think there will be some gap up or gap downs, that only we can expect as of now, okay. So next, so now already we completed the gold analysis, Bitcoin, Euro USD, USDJPY, Euro GBP, Ethereum, GBP CAD. So most of the major currency in New Zealand dollar already completed, and US 30 is also completed, okay. So we are going to wind up this session. It's almost 30 minutes more, so we are going to wind up this session. So if you have any questions related to the market, you can just DM to my WhatsApp, so I will reply, okay. So thank you for joining this night. Have a wonderful trading days ahead. So Ramshad, I will give me a message, I will do the analysis and I will forward you, okay. So the problem is that I am not a silver trader, so whatever I am my analysis I will forward you. So this is the analysis for the gold only, okay, and also I am updated the Bitcoin analysis also, okay. Yes. So